Lydia Bombach.
And I'm Erin King.
And we're part of the admin squad here at Ruckart Real Estate and are gonna give you the scoop about where you are and where you're headed as you achieve your real estate goals.
I know that this process can feel a bit overwhelming at times. The good news is we have a whole team of professionals here to help guide you through the process and make it as easy and simple as possible.
So let's dive right in. Step 1, go under contract.
Check, you did it, congratulations.
Step 2, earnest money deposit.
This typically gets delivered within 3 to 5 days of contract ratification and will be a check written out to your attorney or title company, whichever you chose.
Step 3, inspections. If you waived inspection, skip ahead to appraisals.
If you're taking the home as is, but you're having a home inspection anyway, go ahead and watch on.
The report will be long, which can feel overwhelming, but luckily our agents have truly seen it all and can be helpful in deciding what to prioritize.
You also have the option of requesting repairs or credits, depending on whether you want to be in control of the repairs or whether you'd like to have them done before you close.
Keep in mind this could be another round of negotiation and will depend on what concessions you made when writing your contract. Some examples of this could be maybe you waive the first $2,500 in repairs or any individual items under $1,000 or something like that.
This part can be the toughest negotiation period and a lot of times feels like the tallest hurdle to overcome, but the good news about that is once you're through it, the high fives are way bigger.
Step 4, appraisals. The big thing to keep in mind here is that appraisers are working to validate the sales price, not disprove it. And while not all appraisers are created equally, in general, they are going to validate the sales price. So if you waive the appraisal, it's gonna be fine.
If you did waive the appraisal, then you'll simply cover the cash differences between the contract price and the appraised value. If you did not cover all of the appraisal differences, you have 3 options.
Option 1, cover the gap with cash differences. Option 2, the seller reduces to whatever the appraised value. Or option 3, y'all split the difference.
Option 4, and we don't love this option for you, is if you can't come to terms, you do have the right to terminate the agreement and you will get your EMD back.
Step 6, termite inspection.
This is a seller coordinated and seller paid for inspection.
When it comes back, it will be one of 3 things. Either active termites, old termite damage, or no termites, and you're all good.
Yeah. If there are termites actively present, it is actually the seller's responsibility to take care of that and have that treated before you close.
Step 7, clear to close.
This is the part where you have submitted your application to the lender, it's been through the underwriting process, you've satisfied all conditions, and you are ready to close. They're going to give you the money.
Your lender will send you a CD closing disclosure within 72 hours and it will have all the money details for you. Step 8, final walkthrough.
This is the part where you and the agent walk through to make sure the home is in the same condition it was when you went under contract. And this typically happens the day of or the day before your closing day.
Step 9, signed, sealed, delivered, she's yours. It's closing time.
Congratulations, you did it. This is another high five point, I feel like.
We do this all day, every day, so we can admit that we can make it sound simpler than it might feel at times. But the truth is we are shooting to make it feel easy and like an 11 out of 10 experience every step of the way. We want you to have a great time while you're under contract with Ruckart Real Estate. Our goal is to earn 3 introductions to your friends or family while you're under contract. That's our measure of success.
We truly believe that homeownership is for everyone, and we understand that not everyone believes this or thinks it's achievable for them.
By making it simple, fun, and educational, and hopefully empowering, we hope this makes you excited to go achieve your homeownership goals.
Congratulations, we're so proud of you.
It's a big deal to be under contract. Let's do this thing.